In this video, I'm going to show you how you can correctly uninstall ExpressVPN from your Windows computer. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to do this, first you need to go ahead and close your VPN. And once you have closed it, go ahead and look for Control Panel on your Windows computer. If you can't see Control Panel, then head to Start menu. And from Start menu, just go ahead and search for Control Panel, and you can see it is here. Tap on it to open. This will go ahead and open all Control Panel features. Look for this option called Programs and Features. Under this, you'll be able to see all the programs installed and running on your computer, and among them is ExpressVPN. From the list, go ahead and locate your app that you wish to uninstall, and for my case, it is here. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you should see we have an option to uninstall. So by tapping on uninstall here, confirm by clicking on yes, and the uninstallation process will begin. As you can see, it is removing all the files of ExpressVPN from their root source. And finally, the program has been removed from my Windows computer completely. Now, if I go back to my control panel, you can see ExpressVPN is no longer among the list of programs running and installed on my computer. So this works for both Windows 10 and Windows 11 computers. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.